This is us before the bike ride.
We've been here for like 2 hours before we even gone up. 2.5 hours.
Yeah, and now we're finally leaving. So yeah, bye. Finish the heart. Oh, I'm really out of focus, but it's okay. Love ya. We're finally going on our bike ride. Isabel's got her sexy hat on, as you can see. Mine is too small because I've got a massive head. And
It's bigger than mine.
Exactly.
So it's okay. As in the hat, not your head.
Hopefully we don't get run over. Love you, bye. Ooh, it's really out of focus. Okay, we made it to the destination of...
Oh my god, I just remembered ice cream float.
Ice cream float?
Where you put an ice cream in like...
Coke, do it.
If it's strawberry.
We made it to the location. We're in the castle top.
Oh,
she is wearing shorts by the way. So yeah, and we got an iced coffee and a Coke.
I got a bag.
And a bag
of goodies. Can you see? Pringles. Are you running?
I'm going.
We were at the hop shop and then this man came over and was like, the gates are shut, but I can open them for you.
Yeah.
So we like quickly gathered our bits and had to go out. And they opened the gate for us, which is quite nice.
Yeah.
But now we're at Stone Park. We have a little chitter chatter,
Coffee.
Finish our drink. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's Flo and her drink.
Love you, bye. Put your finger.
Okay. Yeah. Hope people just don't fall in holes because we've got like.
So we waited. I put on a show.
I'm from Lane. Not possible to find one.